My name is Yamini Churi, class SYMMS, roll number MB21024, subject Compensation and Benefits, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Oyster. My topic name is the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Definition of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Gratuity is defined as a benefit given by the employer to the employee for rendering services continuously for 5 years or more. It is a mandatory and monetary benefit usually given at the time of separation from organization or retirement, but there are certain rules which make an employee eligible to receive gratuity. Payment of gratuity: retirement, voluntary retirement, termination, resignation, dismissal, death, disablement. Minimum 5 years of continuous service, but not in case of death or disablement. Section 2A, continuous service. An employee shall be said to be in continuous service even his/her service is interrupted by way, sickness, accident, leave, absence from duty without leave, leave with full wage, temporary disablement, late off period, maternity leave, 26 weeks. The Payment of Gratuity Amendment Act 2018. Whether such uninterrupted or interrupted service was rendering before and after the commencement of this act. In case of period of 1 year, employee will be treated as he is continuous service if he is employed by employer for the period of 190 days employment under the ground in mines or his establishment which work less than 6 days in a week, 240 days in case of other any establishment, factories, companies. In case of period of 6 months, employee will be treated as he is continuous service if he is employed by employer for the period of 95 days employment under the ground in mines or he establishment which work less than 6 in a week, 120 in case of other establishment, factory or companies. In case of seasonal establishment, an employee of a seasonal establishment shall be deemed to be in continuous service if he has actually worked for not less than 75% of the number of days on which establishment was in operation during 1 year or 6 months. Section 4, Payment of Gratuity. First, gratuity shall be payable to an employee on a termination of his employment after he has rendered continuous service for not less than 5 years. A. On his superannuation, or B. on his retirement or resignation, or C. on his death and or disablement due to accident or disease, provided that the completion of continuous service of 5 years shall not be necessary where the termination of the employment of any employee is due to death or disablement. Provided further that in case of death of the employee, gratuity payable to him shall be paid on his nominee, or if no nomination has been made, on his heirs, and whether and such nominees on heirs is a minor, the share of such minor shall be deposed with controlling authority, who shall invest the same for the benefit of such minor in such bank or other financial institution as may are prescribed until such minor attain majority. Calculation of gratuity. Section 4.2. Gratuity is equal to monthly salary into 15 into number of year of service divided by 26. Monthly salary is equal to last month round salary by the employee. 26 is equal to total number of working days in a month. 15 is equal to number of days in a half of the month. For monthly salary employees, gratuity is equal to basic plus DA into 15 divided by 26 into number of years. For seasonal employees, in case of seasonal employees, 7 days wages for each season of service completed by the employee is considered for calculation. Rest of the formula is same as monthly rated employees. Gratuity is equal to basic plus DA into 7 divided by 26 into number of years. For monthly salary employees, gratuity is equal to basic plus DA, average of last 3 months into 15 divided by 26 into number of years. Thank you.